CrowdStrike, Falcon Cloud Security, Kubernetes Threat Detection. Kubernetes environments are controlled through the API Server. Every change, from deploying workloads to modifying permissions or accessing secrets, is an API request that determines what runs and who has access. If the API server is compromised, attackers can modify workloads, escalate privileges, or access sensitive data directly via the API. Let's walk through an example. An administrator submits a normal request to create a pod, but a compromised webhook intercepts the request before the pod is created. The pod still looks legitimate. However, the webhook secretly adds a malicious sidecar container. That container opens a reverse shell to the attacker. Now the attacker has persistent access to the cluster. A trusted Kubernetes component has been abused to silently insert a backdoor during deployment. Falcon Cloud Security gives security teams visibility into activity on the Kubernetes API Server. It ingests audit logs via ng-sim connectors to show who made each request, what they did, and what resources were affected. A single action might look normal, but when Falcon analyzes the full sequence of activity, suspicious patterns emerge. Falcon correlates identities, actions, and normal cluster behavior to detect threats. From the Kubernetes audit logs, Falcon detects a malicious webhook. Webhooks are normally used to modify requests in Kubernetes, but attackers can abuse them to secretly change what happens in the cluster. Here, the administrator submits a normal request to create a pod. The attacker's webhook intercepts the request and adds a malicious sidecar container. That container allows the attacker to control the workload, steal data, and move across the environment. Falcon provides the key details needed for an investigation. Analysts can see the asset, container, image, cluster, and user involved. Falcon maps the activity to MITRE ATT&CK and provides precise timestamps. This helps teams quickly understand and respond to the threat. Contact us to learn more about how Falcon Cloud Security stops breaches.